nagkaputol-putol na yung bow, walang diferensya eh.
Kasi
sa
alam mo,
pagtugtog niya.
tingin ko ito 45 years old, ito 30. Ha? Teka muna, alam mo, napansin ko si Gino Labitigan. Kinakabahan na eh. Tignan mo
Yari
yung
ka,
mukha.
Brad!
Tignan mo, Lalaban ka pa ba, Gino?
Parang medyo nanginig yung smile ni Gino eh.
Sino ba naman hindi ma-insecure dito sa dalawang to? Na 9 years old lang.
Pwede ba natin marinig silang mag-jamming? Baka
Go!
pwede. Di ba?
You call it, Ace.
Sige. Dito muna tayo kay Shama. Kasi pyesa rin ni Kuya Gino yung Smooth Criminal. Pwede ba yon? Okay lang? Shama? Sige. Smooth Criminal. Oo. Tignan mo yung mga mukha, Okay!
In fairness, match na match ha.
Hindi affected si Shama.
Si Shama parang robot lang eh. Play the violin.
Thank you, Shama. Thank you,
Nice
Gino.
one, Shama. At maraming salamat din kay Bricks. And now, let's hear the judges' comments. Pailing-iling na lang itong tatlong to kanina eh. Let's start with Meds.
As usual,
Sige,
just
kaya mo yan,
like the
Meds.
previous days, Ryan, laging magaling ang mga contestants sa Music Hero. And I'm always wondering, where do you get them?
Pero
Ang
kakaiba
husay.
today
Kakaiba unang-una si Bricks. Bricks, you're a cute kid. You could be the next Alden.
Woo!
So if the violin doesn't work for you, you could be Alden Richards.
Alden na tumutugtog.
Pero I like the fact kanina na nagba-violin ka, tapos sumasayaw ka ng konti. And you know what? Simple ka lang, and you're a cute kid. You know what? You could win this competition. Si ano naman, Shama? Grabe yun, ha? Michael Jackson, Smooth Criminal.
Ayan,
That was
kumiti na
amazing.
si Shama finally.
So, I don't know. Just like the other day, I don't know. I'm throwing this away.
Game face on si Shama eh.
Napakahusay. Ang galing-galing nyo parehas. Keep on practicing your craft. Keep on pursuing what you love. And the violin, ang galing. So, palakpakan man po para sa kanilang dalawa. I'm gonna have a hard time, just like yesterday.
Ano Ryan, pupuwersahin na natin si Lucio sa Scarlett.
Si Shama pala mukhang member ng Singing Cooks and Waiters.
Uy, ang ganda ng foreman siya.
Oo nga
I know.
eh.
He's like the younger version of them.
Thank you,
It
Med.
befits his stature. Wow. Ano, Ray?
Right.
Violin na tayo.
Alam mo, kasya sila sa backpack ko. Iuwi ko ito mga to.
Pwede.
Bricks, you're, kami ni Nicole and Meds kanina, pinapanood ka namin, nag-enjoy kami. You have the total package. Ang prediction ni Nicole, you'll be a lady killer paglaki mo.
Ayun pala.
Ayun pala,
Napapasagot
eh, no?
lahat ng,
Got the
girls.
moves, Bricks. The moves and the grooves to back it up. So, Bricks, congratulations. And Shama, kahapon may dinidescribe si Barbie Almalvis na merong from yung pyesa, yung mga classically trained, di ba? Mula sa pyesa, may interpretation sa tugtog. Pero depende dun sa musikero, yung pag-interpret mo. Kasi hindi mo naman malalagay yung nota, saka malalagay yung, kahit yung timing malalagay mo. Pero yung pagkakatugtog mo ng Smooth Criminal kanina, ang galing nun, Shama. Sa'yo ko lang narinig yun. Gino, Brad, sorry favorites kita nun, pero kay Shama muna ako ngayon. So, guys,
He's got bigger hair. So.
Bricks and Shama, ano man mangyari sa contest na to, hindi magmamatter in the long run. Kasi may libro na, if you have the chance, yung Outliers na libro, they say you will be world-class if you spend 10,000 hours or more in doing what you do. And
That's a great book. That's a great book.
wala pa kayo siguro mga kalahati nung pwede nyong i-achieve. So, Bricks and Shama, woo! Sa inyo.
Yes.
Thank you, Ryan.
Malapit na sa quota tong mga to dun sa 10,000 hours na yan.
Parang, Iba to. Iba to. Dalawa.
Bukas na
Lagi
bukas,
ang level.
magbabayolin na rin tayo, Miss P. Simulan na natin 10,000 hours. Thank you, Ryan. Miss Nicole, what can you sing?
Hi, Bricks and Shama. Congratulations. Alam mo, napakalaking blessing na magkaroon ng napakalaking talent at this age. So, I think na if you keep continuing what you're doing, malayo pa yung mararating nyo. And what I noticed is, sobrang iba yung styles. Like we mentioned earlier, si Bricks was playing something warm, familiar, may dance moves, something, something na masaya. And then, ito naman si Shama, meron siyang intensity na very rare from someone so young. Malalim yung pinaghuhugutan and very beautiful choice of notes, no? Very deep. Kaya kung meron man ako ng advice, embrace your individuality. Be yourself. Never be pressured to play like someone else. Basta kung ano yung sayo, i-embrace nyo yun at ipagtuloy nyo yun because that's what will make you great and that's what will make people remember you.
Napakaganda ng sinabi.
Good
ni Miss
words, Nicole. Meds, you wanted to say something else?
Okay lang, promote ko yung True Faith show mamaya sa Off the Great Timog. And hello to my mother, manay ko, she's right over there. Yun lang, Pio. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, judges. Sino kaya kina Bricks at Shama ang magiging violin hero of the day at may chance mag-uwi ng 30,000 pesos? Malalaman natin yung mamaya.
Itutuloy pa natin ang kasiyahan for everyone sa pagbabalik yan ng Eat Bulaga!
Dahil best of the best ang labanan, meron lang kaming idadagdag na challenge para sa inyo.
Sa Sabado, mga Dabarkads, to make the competition more exciting and thrilling.
Dadagdagan natin ng Halloween flavor.
This is Willie Miller.
Seth Cadayana.
Lily Babe Ann. Isabel Granada.
Challenge accepted.